Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you useful phrases that you can use at the airport or on the plane. The first one, where is this seat? Saan ang upuang na ito? May I sit here? Pwede bang umupo dito? May I get through? Pwede bang makadaan? Where are we flying over now? Saang himpapawid na tayo? Water please. Tubig ho. Please show me how to fill in this form. Pakituruan mo naman ako kung paano ko mapupunuan ang form na ito. Do you have a newspaper? Mayroon ba kayong dyaryo periodiko? Fasten seatbelt. Ikabit ang seatbelt. Nationality, nationalidad. Address, tirahan. Purpose of visit, pakay ng pagdalaw. Arrival, pagdating. Occupation, trabaho. Where can I get my baggage? Saan ko makukuha ang aking bagahe? I can't find my baggage. Hindi ko makita ang aking bagahe. I'll stay at this hotel. Titigil ako sa itong hotel. Is there a bus going to the city? May bus bang patungo sa syudad? Please get me a porter. Ikuha mo ako ng taga-buhat. How much is it? Magkano ito? That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video and you learn a lot. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit notification bell for the next video. Be safe.